If you are a photographer or cinematographer, I can almost guarantee that this has happened with you. You have accidentally deleted some footage from your SD card and later realized that you don't even have a backup. That's what exactly happened with me recently. I formatted accidentally this SD card and it had all the data from one of my recent portrait shoots. Pretty scary, right? But here's the good news that I was able to recover all that data, photos, videos and everything from this SD card by using a tool named 40dig by Tenorshare. Also, a quick shout out to Tenorshare for sponsoring today's video. Alright, let's get started, let's dive in and recover some lost footage. Okay, now here on the PC and the download link is in the description. So here we are on the website of 40dig and here you can see this is a free data recovery software. Here are all the benefits. You can recover deleted files. If you have accidentally deleted your recycle bin, accidentally formatted raw file system, that means you can recover an entire drive or partition or any specific files or anything like that. Then you have corrupted memory cards, lost partitions, hard drive recovery, computer crash, virus infection and what not. And the crazy thing is it supports all types of storage media. It supports 2000 plus file types on any storage device. Okay, so now let's go on the top and click on the download button and as you guys can see it's downloading and here you have a small video showing you how to install the file and meanwhile the software is already downloaded. So let's open it up, select your preferred language. The installation procedure is very simple. It's like every other software you install on your Mac. Okay, so after installing the software looks like this. The software looks very clean and it shows all the partitions, hard drives and everything attached with your PC. So this is the SD card that I have accidentally formatted and has all the data. So plugging it in. Okay, so after mounting the SD card on my PC, you can see the file explorer has opened and you can see here we have just one folder, Nikon, and within it we have nothing. Also, just for clarification, as you can see this is a 32 GB SD card and used space is 192 KB. Almost 29.7 GB is free, which is the full SD card. Okay, so officially we have lost all the data, but just come here and click a refresh. Okay, so now as you guys can see the SD card is now showing under the external drives. So we will go into the SD card section and click on scan. Now it will give you options of which type of files you want to recover. So I mainly want to recover my photos, so I am not selecting any of this. Also videos are there, so just selecting two. You can select as per your need and then click scan selected file types. Okay, now it will take some time to scan your SD card and find the type of files you have selected. So give it some time, it will do its magic and then after some time we will look into it. Okay, so the scan is now complete. Just click OK and now we can see all the data it has recovered. So we have recovered 7,267 files in which 6,939 photos and 328 videos. It's just crazy. So I specifically need all the photos that I have shot on a Nikon camera, which is the Nikon Z5 Mark II. So I specifically need those raw photos and I know the raw format of a Nikon camera, which is the .nef. So just go into the folder and here we are. Okay, so now for this example I have selected few photos and if I now click into recover, it's just showing where I want to recover them. I just click on desktop. You can select wherever you want, save now, and here the software is giving you another option. Do you want to repair damaged file during recovery? it may take longer or do it later. You can click on recover only and then later find out few of the photos or videos may need to repair. So I'm just clicking it repair and recover. So it will take some time. I have not selected so many photos. I am just selected over 10 to 15 photos, so it shouldn't take too much time. And we are almost done. 80, 90, yeah, we have recovered. Okay, so here's the recovered folder, and as you guys can see, everything is really organized. Like I have only recovered photos. So in photos we have NEF. So if I recover .jpeg, .nef and .arw, all the footage will be categorized based on their types, which is really impressive. And as you guys can see, we have successfully recovered all of the raw data from that SD card, which is really impressive for a free software. And as you guys can see, all the files open perfectly. No corruption, no glitches, nothing at all. Okay, so something to keep in mind that I had just few photos to recover. So in free version you can recover up to 2 GB of data. But if you need unlimited size of data recovery, you can upgrade to pro version, which is really worth it. It doesn't just come with unlimited size of data recovery, it also comes with so many other features. Losing files can be terrifying, especially as a creator. But thanks to 4D that I have recovered all of my footage without even paying a single dollar. So that's it for today's video. Links to download 4D is in the description. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.